How to find Zizzi promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to find the search box. Over there, type in Zizzi promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, zizzi.voucher.discount, open it. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Zizzi. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 25% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Zizzi. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Zizzi. So this is how you can easily find Zizzi working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.